Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to get AI keyboard onto your iPhone iOS iOS version. So first of all, go to the settings, make sure to go find this option called settings into your iPhone and find this app called settings. And once you're into the settings, as you can see, like I have a software update, and if you want to check that either you have a software update or not, so just scroll down, go to general, and into just general you can read the about section and software updates. So just click on software updates and make sure that you do not have any kind of updates, and if you have an update, so make sure to download your iOS 18 version, the latest version as well. And once you download this latest version onto your iPhone, so make sure to install it, and once you install it, just go back and into the settings you can search the application called AI Intelligence or Apple Intelligence. So from here, just search Apple Intelligence. As you can read, like I have an older version of iPhone. I have an iPhone XS, and if you have an iPhone XS or any older version rather than 15, so you might not be able to as you can see, the model name is iPhone XS, and if you have older version of iPhone, so you will not be able to get the AI keyboard into your iPhone. But if you have a latest version of iPhone, so make sure to update your software, and once you update your software, just search here Apple Intelligence and make sure to turn it on. And once you turn on Apple Intelligence, you will automatically get the AI keyboard into your iPhone. So that is a simple and easy process.